going to show you how to round values to one significant figure so that you can find estimates to calculations like this one here, okay? So in the first example, it says, by writing each number in the calculation correct to one significant figure, find an estimate for the value of 42.8 plus 17.4, all divided by 1.97 multiplied by 5.79, okay? So in questions like this, it's very important to show you're working out. You need to show that you know how to work out each value rounded to one significant figure before you actually do the calculation, okay? So let's have a go at rounding the first value here, 42.8. Okay, so when you're rounding to one significant figure, you always need to check to see what the second figure is, okay? So the second figure in this number here, 42.8, is the number 2, okay? If this number is 5 or greater than 5, it rounds the first figure up 1, okay? And if it's smaller than 5, like it is here, then the first figure remains the same, okay? So since 2 is smaller than 5, the 4 remains the same, okay? So I'm going to write it down here. And we're not finished, okay? Remember, you're rounding. You can't just change the number 42.8 to the number 4, okay? It's drastically different, okay? So we haven't quite finished. What you need to do to finish is just change this number 2 to a 0, okay? So now we have one significant figure, and you don't need to write the decimal point and add any other zeros. We already have one significant figure. We've done the rounding, okay? So on to the next value. 17.4. Remember, you always have to check the second figure, okay, when you're rounding to one significant figure. So this time the second figure is greater than 5. So this number 7 rounds the first figure up 1, so the 1 changes to a 2. Okay, so it's plus 2. And then just like previously, this value here changes to a 0. Okay, and you don't need to add the decimal point in any more figures. We already have this rounded to one significant figure, okay? On to the denominator. So if we check 1.97, the second figure is a 9, which is greater than 5. So again, it rounds the first figure up 1, so it changes to a 2, okay? And just like previously, you don't need to put the decimal point, any other values. We already have our first figure rounded, okay? Now we have to multiply by 5.79. But the second figure, the 7, again rounds the first figure up, so this changes to a 6. And here we've already got one figure, so we're finished with our rounding, okay? So we've rounded all the values to one significant figure, now we can do the calculation. So the numerator says 40 plus 20, so that changes to 60. And underneath we have 2 multiplied by 6, which is 12. And we can keep going, we can work this out, as 60 divided by 12 is equal to 5. Okay, so there is the final answer. So in the second example, it says, again, by writing each number in the calculation correct to one significant figure, find an estimate for the value of 17.8 plus 10.3, all divided by 5.5, okay? So you might want to pause the video and try this one yourself and forward to see if you get it right. Otherwise, you can listen to me explain again, okay? So if we look at the first figure here, 17.8, remember you have to check the second figure. So here it's the number 7, and the number 7 is greater than 5, so it rounds the first figure up 1, so this changes to a 2. And then the number 7 changes to a 0. Okay, so 17.8 rounded to one significant figure is 20, okay? Remember, you don't need to write the decimal point, okay, with any other numbers. We've already got our one significant figure here. Next, on to 10.3, okay? So again, you're checking the second figure, which is a 0, okay? So since 0 is smaller than 5, it doesn't change the first figure, okay? So the number 1 remains the same. And we can't just leave it as 1, okay? We still have to include this 0, okay? Now it's rounded to one significant figure, okay? So I know usually we change the figure to a 0, but here it's already a 0, so it can just stay as a 0, okay? And we don't need to add a decimal point with any other figures. We've already got one significant figure there, okay? So the denominator is 5.5. If we check the second figure, it's the number 5, which means we have to round the first figure up 1, so it changes to a 6. And that one's finished, okay? That's rounded to one significant figure. Again, you don't need to add the decimal point with any other values, okay? So remember to leave your working out as it is, okay? You get marks for this, okay? You need to show it when you have to round to one significant figure, okay? So now let's do the calculation. So 20 plus 10 is 30, and we're dividing by 6, and 30 divided by 6 is equal to 5, okay? So, it's the same answer as earlier, but that's just a coincidence, okay? So here's one more final question, but instead of me going through this one, I'm going to post the answer down below so you can have a go yourself and then check to see if you're right. It's 5.3 multiplied by 19.5, all divided by 2.49, and you need to do exactly the same thing as before. Round each of those three values to one significant figure, okay, and then calculate.